Well, given that one day, according to strong artificial intelligence, we could have thinking machines, we're going to need a way to figure out if a machine is a thinking thing. And Al Turing came up with the Turing test. If an X can convince a competent expert of Y's that it is a Y, then it is a Y. In other words, if a machine can convince a competent expert of thinking things that it is a thinking thing, then it is a thinking thing. Okay, consider you have a series of rooms. Okay? You have a series of rooms, and there is a desk in each one of these rooms, and each desk has a computer on it. Okay, now in two of these rooms, there is also a person. You thought my standing stick figures were lovely. I mean, how can you deny these? Okay, so there's person in two of the rooms. There is a chat conversation going on between Bob here, okay, and one of these other two rooms. Bob knows that he might be chatting with John, but Bob knows also that he might be chatting with Compy the computer. Okay? So, Bob is having an internet chat, and he has to determine, is he chatting with John or is he chatting with Compy? So he asks questions, and he tries to trip John up or Compy up. He tries to, he asks crazy things. Construct a poem for me. What's the answer to this really, really complicated math problem? What's the meaning of life? He even sends out garbled words to see if he'll get a huh back. Okay? And when Bob is completed his conversation, he believes that he was chatting with another human person. He believes that the individual on the other side of that internet chat was the human being. Except, as it turns out, it was Compy the computer. If that were to happen, Compy the computer would be considered a thinking thing, because Compy has convinced a competent expert of thinking things, Bob, that it is a thinking thing. Therefore, it is a thinking thing. Does that make sense?